Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. If you're a passionate content creator, hybrid shooter, or even an emerging professional, today's reveal is going to get your creative senses tingling. We're diving deep into the leaked specs, rumored features, and next-gen innovations of the upcoming Canon EOS R7 Mark II, the camera that might just dominate the APS-C mirrorless landscape in 2025. In this video, we'll cover performance upgrades, autofocus breakthroughs, image quality enhancements, 4K and 6K video capabilities, stabilization, audio advancements, and why this camera could have Sony, Nikon, and even Panasonic watching closely. So grab your gear list, because this one's going to shake up your wish list. Canon EOS R7 Mark II. What makes this upgrade so special? The Canon EOS R7 Mark II isn't just a minor refresh. It's shaping up to be a powerhouse APS-C mirrorless camera that builds on the already impressive legacy of the original R7. Canon has clearly listened to user feedback and market trends, and they're planning to elevate everything: speed, performance, video specs, and usability. The original R7 made waves with its fast shooting, great ergonomics, and affordability. Now, Canon seems ready to push boundaries with the R7 II, introducing features that could blur the lines between APS-C and full-frame performance. Advanced imaging power, 32.5 MP BSI sensor plus Digic X2 engine. At the heart of the rumored Canon R7 Mark II lies a 32.5 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, likely a refined BSI version. While the resolution might seem familiar, the sensor architecture is expected to be completely overhauled. Expect vastly improved low-light sensitivity, better dynamic range, reduced high ISO noise, and significantly faster readout speeds. Combine that with the next-gen Digic X or Digic X2 image processor, and we're looking at enhanced tonal reproduction, color depth, and a level of snappiness Canon shooters will truly appreciate. Revolutionary autofocus system with AI and deep learning. The R7 Mark II is rumored to include a massive leap in autofocus intelligence, leveraging Canon's evolving dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system. But now, it's infused with AI and deep learning capabilities, which could mean enhanced subject recognition, full-frame coverage, AF zones, rapid eye and face detection, even in difficult lighting, gesture tracking, perhaps even individual body part focus. Canon's approach here is clearly to bring its flagship performance to the APS-C world. Think real-time eye tracking that sticks like glue, even on erratic wildlife or fast-paced sports scenes. Insane burst rates, up to 40 frames per second shooting. Speed junkies rejoice. The original R7 impressed with 15 frames per second and 30 frames per second burst shooting. With the Mark II, expect Canon to raise the bar: 20 FPS with mechanical shutter, 40 FPS with electronic shutter, improved buffer handling, and dual UHS-2 SD card support that makes this camera ideal for sports, wildlife, and action photographers, anywhere. You need that perfect split-second shot. Plus, rolling shutter artifacts, and electronic shutter's nightmare, are likely to be better suppressed. Thanks to faster readout tech, upgraded 8-stop IBIS, total handheld stability if you shoot handheld often, especially in low light or when filming on the go, this next feature might be a game changer. The original R7's 5-axis IBIS offered up to 7 stops of compensation. The R7 Mark II? Rumors suggest 8 full stops, thanks to both hardware refinements and firmware tuning. When paired with RF lenses featuring optical image stabilization, the synergy between lens plus body stabilization could produce industry-leading steadiness. Whether you're filming handheld vlogs or snapping crisp stills at slow shutter speeds, shake won't stand a chance. Pro-level video capabilities, 4K 120, 6K oversampling, Canon Log 3. The R7 II is shaping up to be a serious hybrid tool for video creators, not just stills shooters. Expect massive improvements over the original R7's already impressive video specs: 4K at up to 120 frames per second for stunning slow motion, 6K oversampled, 4K from full sensor width, 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording, Canon Log 3 for superior grading flexibility, HDR/PQ support for true high dynamic range delivery, potential raw HDMI out for external recorders. Canon may even include cinema picture profiles, making the R7 II more cinema-ready than ever. This could position the camera as a serious FX30 and GH7 competitor, all while retaining Canon's signature color science. Audio revolution, digital mic support and hot shoe magic. Audio might be getting a major bump, too, beyond the standard 3.5mm mic and headphone jacks. Canon is rumored to introduce digital audio support via the multifunction hot shoe. That means shotgun mics with no cables, digital XLR adapters, no need for external recorders or messy rigs for vloggers, travel creators, and YouTubers. This makes high-fidelity audio recording seamless and portable. Build quality, ergonomics, and visual experience. The Canon R7 Mark II will likely retain the rugged magnesium alloy chassis, with full weather sealing. Against dust and moisture, great news for field shooters and travelers. What could change? A deeper, more sculpted grip, new customizable buttons, possibly a larger, enhanced joystick, refined F1 button placement. Also expected are upgrades to both the EVF and LCD. EVF resolution bump from 2.36 to 3.69 dots, faster refresh rate for smoother tracking, brighter, higher res flip-out LCD, ideal for outdoor shooting and vlogging. Storage and battery life, dual slots plus power efficiency. While some had hoped for CF Express support, Canon appears to be sticking with dual UHS-2 SD card slots, which are fast enough for 4K 120p internal long raw burst, 6K downsampled 4K recording. Battery-wise, Canon's trusty LP-E6NH battery should provide over 600 shots per charge, extended runtime in eco or power-saving modes, USB-C power delivery plus charging support. Great news for all-day shooters, new software features, custom modes, menus and connectivity. Canon is slowly but surely catching up in the software space. Expect better touchscreen UI, improved menu layout, my menu for quick access to custom settings, webcam functionality built in 5 GHz Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth 5.0 for faster wireless transfer, seamless Canon Camera Connect app integration. Also rumored is a multi-shot high-res mode, similar to what Panasonic and Olympus offer, where multiple sensor-shifted frames are merged for super detailed stills, perfect for product photography or architectural shoots. Pricing and positioning, serious value for money. When the original R7 launched at $1,499, it offered insane value. With all these upgrades, the R7 Mark II is expected to land somewhere between $1,699 to $1,899. Still, that keeps it below Sony's FX30, Nikon Z7, and Panasonic GH7, while delivering top-tier hybrid performance. In short, Canon is targeting this at advanced amateurs, budget-conscious pros, hybrid shooters who demand versatility. Expect it to rival or even outperform full-frame options in this price range, especially if you're working with Canon's growing RFS lens ecosystem. Canon EOS R7 Mark II release date, based on Canon's 3-year product refresh cycle, and with the original R7 dropping in 2022, the EOS R7 Mark II is expected to launch in late 2025, possibly around CP Plus in February or Photokina, if it makes a return. Final thoughts: the Canon EOS R7 Mark II isn't just another upgrade. It could redefine what an APS-C mirrorless camera can be in the modern era: high-speed photography, cinema-grade video, advanced autofocus stabilization that rivals gimbal's, professional audio options, tough, portable, and future-proof. Whether you're a YouTuber, travel vlogger, wildlife photographer, or hybrid filmmaker, the R7 Mark II might be the camera to beat in 2025.